Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am here to do a project share for In Love Art Shop, and I will have their website in the description box. I will have a coupon code for you to save, and I will have the links to the items. I did an unboxing. I'll link that as well if you want to take a look at the other items. And also with In Love Arts, if you spend so much money, you get free shipping. So, and with that, you don't need a discount code. So, use my discount code and save some extra shipping. Perfect. So, in this video, I am going to share. I've been trying to make a couple of cards. So, I made a card using this one here. Even though it says Coco Rosa, this is In Love Arts project share. I use that one, and then here is these two mask dies. So what I did is I made this card here, and I used these flowers, and on each flower, on the petal, one of them says faith, hope, and love. So I just put them on this card front, and then when you open it up, it's just plain, so I can use it for, any occasion pretty much. And for the centers, you get 3 centers here, but I didn't use those. I just used some little flower punch that I have, and I just blinged it out like that. So really cute card with those flower dies. And then for the mask, I made another card, which is pretty much any occasion. So I just made it like this, and I just put some of my flowers here. And what I did is I cut it out in white cardstock. But before I cut it out, I just used some distressed ink, and I just picked some colors and just went to distressing the page. And right here, I just cut out like a 1/4 of an inch strip of paper, because you know how the little masks are on the sticks. So I just mimicked that there. And then on the inside of this one, it is just plain, ready for me to use for any occasion. And I still have room right here. If I want to put a sentiment on the outside, I can do that. So those are my 2 cards for In Love Art Shop. Like I said, everything will be in the description box. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video.